Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're signed in and ready, so start by opening Google Drive on the web or app. Find the folder you intend to restrict. Make sure you own it or have editor access because only owners can change sharing. Once located, right-click or tap the three dots beside it to open the menu. This first step gets you into the sharing flow quickly, and it ensures you won't hit permission roadblocks later. Now proceed to the sharing controls. Don't skip ownership checks. Now open sharing settings. Click Share and review who has access and what the link does. Change link access to restricted so only specific people can open the folder. This immediately blocks open link sharing. Then inspect listed collaborators. Remove anyone you don't want or downgrade editors to viewer or commenter. That prevents further file edits or resharing. Make these adjustments deliberately, since roles control downstream permissions. After updating, click Done to save the changes and lock the basic access. Finish by tightening advanced controls. In Share settings, toggle off editors' ability to change permissions and share so they can't reopen access. Once done, verify the lock by testing with a different account or an incognito window. Make sure the folder shows restricted or prompt for permission. If you need stronger protection, consider moving content to a shared drive with stricter policies or encrypting sensitive files before upload. If access still looks wrong, recheck ownership and inherited folder permissions as the troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.